Thank you. Dear colleagues, freedom of media, rule of law and independence of judiciary are three basic principles of democratization and progress of every European society. My country, Serbia, adopts new law on media in line with European and Venetian Commission, according to which privatization of media was implemented, as well as by laws which are already being implemented. Also, a new media strategy until 2024 is in progress, which in the spirit of best examples of international experience should contribute to further improvement of media climate in Serbia. It is important to emphasise that in Serbia false news are not criminalised because